Hi everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you're just tuning in, I'm Ayushi Gupta. In this video, we are going to continue the 7 days skincare challenge, and we are so happy that we continue the series of 4 days. It's a day 4, and I'm so happy that guys you are following my routines. And if you are showing some benefits, please comment down below so it will motivate me and other people also. So here's the day 4 remedy. Why are we doing this 7 day skincare challenge? Is because we are going to get rid of acne, we are going to get rid of scarring, we are going to get rid of aging so fast and get glowing and glass skin. So if you listen to me and follow the routine, your skin will get better than ever before. So just keep tuning in and I will show you what's the today's remedy is. So for today we are taking a tomato and cutting it on just like half. Now half of them you can rest it and just squeeze it or just put it as like doing it like this and applying on your skin, rubbing at your skin for 30 to 40 seconds. I already told you cleansing or exfoliation is better for 30 for 40 seconds. So just I'm rubbing it all over my face. It has a lots of benefit. It's just it has vitamin C, so it can improve your skin blood circulation, and it's remove staining, and especially it is totally beneficial for removing your tan. It's so much helpful for your removing your tan. I always do like this. Okay, fine. It tastes good. Okay, I'm also rubbing on my neck, so it will just removing my tan off my neck. I don't have, but many people have that, and it's normal, just normal. So rubbing it on all over my face, it prevents acne. It has a lots of benefits, yeah. Okay, so it's done, and I'm washing my face. So done with washing my face. I feel so fresh. So next we are going to tone our skin. For this, I'm taking an orange and squeezing the juice out of it. You can take the orange juice like that. I'm squeezing the juice, and we are using orange as a toner. It moisturize our skin, it's rejuvenate our face, and especially it prevents acne. So today for this, after we are cleansed our face with tomato, we are applying toner. So this orange juice, you can see it or not, I just squeeze a little bit. So I'm taking a cotton ball and dipping it into. The main function of toner is unclogging the pores and moisturize your skin and maintains pH balance. So for toner, I just love the orange because it also unclogs the pore and moisturize your skin, prevents acne. It has antioxidant property that doesn't give you any irritation and nothing at all. It's also moisturize your skin. I already told you that. Yeah. Just I will just making it dry, natural dry. It's taking a little bit. Until then, eat oranges. Even though you are applying on your skin so much, you take care of your skin naturally so much, but if you don't pure your stomach or what's going inside you, it's not at all worth it. So drink water as much as you can, really, as much as you can. Drink water, and after that eat fruits, vegetables, and especially eat something like grapes, like watermelon. Eat like this, so your body will feel rejuvenate, and it's so much important. It dries out. After that, I'm applying moisturizer on my skin. I already told you on previous videos that I already made a video about best sunscreen and best moisturizer for your skin type. I will put in the link in the description below. If you want to, please check it out. You will find this video really helpful. So that's it for today's video. We are not applying too much, we are not doing overdo, just a little bit every day, and after 7 days your skin will really better, trust me. And please keep drinking water, keep drinking water, please. And yeah, eat fresh and feel fresh. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay happy, stay glam. See you again. Until then, stay happy, stay glam. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.